Hey guys, this is Ben Masters Premium Trading. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make consistent profit trading spot, and I'm going to be talking about spot trading, how to trade spot trading right, and how to use that to make consistent profit for yourself. Before we get into this video, I want you to note that this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not your investment advisor. I'm not telling you to invest. I'm just educating you. And this before you get into anything, do your own research. Make your own research before getting into anything, and trading always has its risks. Trading always has its own risks. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Now, where we are going to be doing the spot trading is called Binance. Binance, that's this app right here, Binance. And I'm going to show you how to do it right. Majority of you don't know how to even trade spot or what it's all about. So I'm going to be talking about that in this video. Now I'm on my Binance app. And there are two major ways how you can also do this to make profit. The first way is let's go to spot. Let's go to trades. When you go to trades over here, you can see spot option. Yeah, there are four or more ways to do that. That's convert, spot, margin, fiat, and P2P. So let us spot is all about using your balance, using your, let's say um you have USDT. Let's say you have USDT. If you have USDT in your balance, it is also like the same thing as trading. You buy low, you sell high, but in spot trading you set your own price. You set your own price for it, and majority don't know about this. All they just do is they buy with the market. They buy with the market. Yes, buying with the market will give you instant trade. That's if you really need the LTC now, and you just want to send it to someone, or you have USDT and you want to convert it to LTC. You buy instantly with your market price. So that's instant, but the best is limit. The best is limit. Now this is the market price over here. These are all buyers and these are all sellers. So when you want to buy, these people are the ones. When you want to buy, these people are the ones that are selling right here, and this is the price they are selling for. So you buy from these people over here. Then when you want to sell, these are the ones buying, and you sell to them. So you can see the price difference. So now, how can you make money with this? You make money with this by buying lower and selling higher by putting your own price in the market. So let's say I told you there are two ways to go about this, and the first one is just putting your own price without using any other method of analyzing the market or when to buy or when to sell. That's the first method, just a layman method, just by putting your own price. So let's say this is it is about 59 points. You can put this price at $57, 57.00, and you buy 100. That's 90. You use 99. Wait, $57. You set it to $57, and what you're having here is 99.97 for 1.754 worth of worth of Litecoin. Then once you've done this, your order will show below here. Your order will show below here. Okay, so once, then you wait for a little time, let's say 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes, your order might get completed. It depends on the market volume and how the market really moves. So after your order gets completed, you would have 1.754 Litecoin on your account. Then you move over here to sell it for, let's say, $61. Sorry. Then you put your amount. That's now you'll be having 106.99 worth of USDT for 99.97 watts of USDT. So let's calculate your profits. Let's calculate your profit. So we sold at 16.99 minus 99.97. So you got a profit of $7. You got a profit of $7, and this could be done in 15-30 minutes. You can do it sometimes 5 minutes. Depends on the market at that time. So that's $7 worth of $7 profit. Then that's the first method, just by putting and you wait for the market to sell. The second method is by using your your chart your chart right here. Is by using your chart right there. When I open my chart, I can see that Litecoin is currently going down. Currently going down. I can see that my Litecoin is currently going down. We have a downtrend. But if you look at this place, you have the low and you have the resistance right here. You have a support right here. This is your resistance and this is your support. And it has touched the support twice. It has touched the support twice and it has not broken the support. So you know that a up a up wave is coming. This Litecoin is going to move upward very soon. That's what I mean by up wave. This Litecoin is going to move up very soon. So that's what we are expecting the Litecoin to do. So maybe you come over here and you've already bought your Litecoin. You have one wait, wait. You have 1.754. You have 1.754. You would not sell now. Let me tell you how to input a price that would be correct. So you've seen this, that this support, that it has a support, and I think this support is strong, but it is below the 200 EMA. So we wait for this two moving average right here. That's the 7 and the 21 to cross above this 21. Then once it has crossed above it, our target would be our target will be here, 63. This main resistance right here. Target will be this main resistance right here, and that's about 62.10. 62.10. So we have our LTC now. We have our LTC now. Instead of just inputting a price like um, 10, um, 58, 59, 60, we input 62.10. So now is not, if you want to buy, now is a very good time to buy, but it can still go lower. So you can buy at let's say 50 59.00. We buy now. We buy now. We use, let's say, 1,000. That's 99.99, but 1,000 copy, and we target our main support. But if we already have our LTC, we will not sell. We will target our main resistance, target our major resistance. That's 62.10, because this is 62.23. But we will not sell at the top. We will sell at the highest candle before the top. That's 62.06. Now let's click here, sell 62.06. If we put in our LTC amount, we'll see we'll be making a profit of $51.85. And this is likely to hit here. This is likely to hit here pretty soon. This is likely to hit here pretty soon. This is likely to hit here pretty soon. So that's the two methods. Just one is just by inputting, and the second is knowing what price to put so that it will likely hit in a short amount of time, so that you don't go moving around and just messing this up. As you can see, I have little amount of LTC right here and little amount of USDT. That's because I've already done this spot trading and I made a profit, but I've withdrawn my profit. So I don't have that again. I've just withdrawn my money. Then we have bonds right here. Let's click on it. let's search bond. Okay, and I also want to show you another method. As you can see, this currency, this um, crypto is going higher. It is spiking. It is moving up. And if you can look at the 1 day chart, you can see that this crypto has spiked to $25 over the years before move crashing down. And as you can see, this is the moving 200 EMA, this purple one. So you can see that the the daily candle is moving upward to the EMA, to the EMA. Now, if you want to trade this, you know that surely you want to buy. Surely you want to buy, but let's, so that we will not make a loss, let's see where we'll buy at. Let's see where we'll buy at. We will buy at the first major resistance. That's at this place right here. The first major resistance. We'll buy at this place. Don't buy at the support because it will be too, it will likely hit here. Sorry, it will likely hit here and hit here. So we'll buy lower. So this place is at 6.995, 6.975, 6.975. Okay, we can't input 5. Sorry, no. 6.975. We use a total of 1,000. That's 143.36. When we buy, it will get completed very quickly, and we know that this coin is spiking. This coin is spiking, so we take our profits at the top, at this top right here, 8.153, and it's going to touch this top. So take our profit right there, 8.153, and input our amount. That will give us a profit of 1,100. Sorry, a profit of 168.814 USDT. And you can see that this profit is way more than the other one, more than times 2 of the other one. Why? Because we did what? We bought from the gainers of the day. So this is how you can easily trade spot. In my last video, I told you how to trade futures with this. In futures you can get more, but this one you can also gain way more without using. You can also gain without using, without risking more. Okay, you can gain without risking more. So what is very nice to do is to, when you see these gainers right here, you can always come down here, the first one, you know that is spiking. So you are prepared to buy the first resistance, the first resistance and sell at the last one, the recent one. We just use resistance because we are dealing with an uptrend. So the first resistance is likely to touch the first resistance before moving higher to touch the second one. So with that, you see that you gained more than 16% of your amount, and you gain it within a very short time. Let's check the futures if they have bond right here. But on futures, it is different. The We don't use resistance on futures. You can check out my video and you can see that video to guide you on how to do that trade. I can see even if you sell at the market price, you are still going to gain more. If you did that, you hit the first resistance. That's the first resistance right here. You hit the first resistance right here. You can see there's a resistance right there, and you don't want to wait any longer. You just want to collect your profit. You can just easily come over and sell at the market. If the market price is higher than the resistance thereabout, you can just easily come, and sell at the market. But if you are using your statistics, you know that you don't do that. You sell at the next or the most recent resistance. This is resistance 1, and this 2, the recent one. You sell here 8.153 and you collect your profit. The profit will be more than 8.153. Profit will be more than 168 dollars. $168. That's about 16.8%. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, if you've gotten value from this, and I know you have, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos just like this, you will be notified about it. I will be one of the first to get into this strategy and use this to make gains for yourself. Again, guys, it's just for educational purpose only. There are risks involved, so do your own research and check well before entering anything. My name is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and bye for now.